Hello mathematicians, hope by the end of this video you can say I can solve systems of equations by elimination. We're going to look at two examples in this video here. So we're given the system of equations of negative 10x plus 2y equals negative 32 and negative 2x minus 2y equals negative 16. And how we're going to go about solving these using elimination is we can see that there's 2y here and negative 2y here. So what we can do is we can actually add these equations together, these whole equations, all of it. So negative 10x plus negative 2x being negative 12x, and 2y minus 2y would just be 0, so that's gone. So that is eliminated, hence the name elimination method. So we get negative 12x equals negative 32 plus negative 16 would be negative 48. And then we just got a one-step equation, divide by negative 12 and divide by negative 12. And we get x is equal to 4. So now that we've found x, we can take this value for x and we can substitute it back into either of the two original equations. Let's substitute it back in for x right there. So that would give us negative 2 times 4 minus 2y equals negative 16. So all we've done, we've substituted 4 in for x in this equation right here. So we get negative 8 minus 2y equals negative 16. So we add 8 and add 8. Negative 2y equals negative 8. And divide by negative 2. Divide by negative 2. So you get y is equal to 4. So we solve for x and we solve for y. So this system of equations has an answer of 4. That is the solution to this system of equations. Let's look at one more example. So we're given the system of equations of 10x plus y equals 4 and negative 5x minus 5y equals 25. This problem is a little bit more difficult than the previous problem. It's going to take a little bit more of use of our mathematical intuition, which we all are innately possessed with. So what we're going to do is let's try to eliminate these x's over here. So there's 10x here and negative 5x here. So I can actually multiply this whole bottom equation by 2. The entire equation, I can multiply it by 2. And that would give me negative 10x minus 10y equals 50. And I can take this equation over here and just copy it right on over. We haven't done anything with the top equation, so it stays the exact same. And now we can add these two equations together. And that will eliminate our x's. 10x plus negative 10x would be 0, so those are eliminated. Y plus negative 10y would be negative 9y equals 4 plus 50 is 54. And divide by negative 9. Divide by negative 9. And we get y is equal to negative 6. Now we can take this negative value of negative 6 and let's substitute it in for the y right there. So we get 10x plus negative 6, so actually minus 6 equals 4. We'd add 6, so we get 10x equals 10, and divide by 10, and we get x is equal to 1. So this system of equations would have an answer of 1, negative 6. So that is it for our video. Hope after watching this and getting in a little bit of practice, you can say I can solve systems of equations by elimination.